we are discussing chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Our today's topic is genetic code. We discussed about transcription, replication. So in transcription we discussed that mRNA has information. So there was a question how these informations are present in mRNA or in DNA, how it is stored. So many predictions were given, like some scientists they told that there are two bases which code for particular amino acid. But if we make the group of two base pair, we get very less number of combinations, and the essential amino acid or main amino acid in eukaryotes are 22. So how the two bases can code for this large number of amino acids, there was a controversy. Later on, another scientist, George Gamow, he actually proposed that the genetic code must be of 3 base. It is made up of 3 base pairs. So he told if the 3 base pairs make combinations, so we can get 4 into 4 into 4, 64 combinations or codes, which is far better than the number of main amino acids. Later on, the Indian origin scientist Dr. Gobind Khurana, he developed a chemical method for synthesizing RNA molecule and thereby confirming or telling about the genetic code, and he actually got Nobel Prize for synthesis of gene even. Then Marcel Nirenberg, he actually artificially synthesized protein and proved that existence of genetic code. So according to George Gamow, the 4 nitrogenous bases present in RNA, they are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. So they may make 64 combination. So we can make the combination by using this table of 5 columns and 5 rows. So in each column we can write the nitrogenous base in the same order. Like on the top we have written UCAG. Then here in the first column UCAG, and each column we will write UCAG. The same sequence we will follow, so we can get all the 64 codon which are predicted by George Gamow. So you can see if we take this U and U, so in all 4 conditions we can write U, and then U, that codon will make a root here, so we can write in the sequence UCAG. So we will get by this first 2 and that U, we will that column, all 4 bases, we will get 4 codons. So out of these 4 codons, first 2 they code for amino acid phenylalanine, and second 2 code for amino acid leucine. Similarly, if we take UC 4 times, and then we write again UCH in the sequence, we get again 4 codons. So these 4 codons code for serine amino acid. So this way we can make all the codes by putting all the bases in the column and group and in subgroup, and we will get total 64 codon. So out of these 64 codon, 3 codons which are UAA and UAG and UGA. These 3 do not code for any amino acid, so they are called stop codon. But they play a very vital role in efficiency of synthesis of a protein. Because when they will come now, so there only that protein synthesis will terminate, and they will not let the other amino acid to overlap. So information will be perfect. Our desired protein only will get synthesized. Now you can see here, out of 64, 3 are stop codon and 61 code for different amino acid, and we can see that many amino acids are coded by many codons. Like you can see here, like if we take the example of leucine. Here leucine is coded by UUA, UUG and CUU, CUC, CUA and CUG. There are 6 codon which are coding leucine, but a particular codon will code a particular amino acid. So we can say the genetic codes are unambiguous and specific. A particular code has a particular meaning. We will not get any other meaning from a particular code that will code for a specific amino acid. Okay, and many amino acids are coded by different codons of amino. These genetic codes are degenerate. Okay, there is one codon AUG which performs dual function. It works as a start codon as well as it codes for methionine. AUG serves dual function. It works as a start codon as well as it also codes for amino acid methionine. So these are some general features of the genetic codes. Genetic codes are universal. Their meaning is same in all the organisms. There are a few exceptions, like in mitochondria or in some protozoans, they have different meaning. But other than that exception, in all the organisms, particular codon has same meaning. Like UU will code with phenylalanine in all.